Mmoja kati ya makasisi ambao wamependwa sana kwenye mitandao ya kijamii kulingana na kazi yake nzuri ambayo amekuwa akiifanya kwa muda tokea alipoweza kuintroduciwa kwenye mitandao ya kijamii na karango wa Muraya, Apostle John MURITHI. Leo taarifa tunazokuletea ni taarifa za kuhuzunisha kuhusiana na Apostle baada ya ujumbe ambao amepata kuchapisha kupitia kurasa zake za kijamii. Apostle John MURITHI, a prominent figure in the Kenyan religious community, recently reached out to his followers on social media, requesting their prayers and support as he battles a health issue. MURITHI took to his Facebook page to ask for intercession, stating that he is not feeling well and needs the power of prayers to overcome his affection. In his emotional plea, MURITHI revealed the challenges he is facing, particularly with his legs. He expressed deep concerns about the increasing swelling in his left leg, which is causing him immense pain, making it difficult to wear shoes. MURITHI's condition has deteriorated to the point where he sometimes has to forgo footwear altogether due to the severity of the swelling. However, despite these physical difficulties, MURITHI remains steadfast in his faith and optimistic that together with the support of his followers, he can conquer the sickness that has befallen him. He believes in the power of prayer and ability of believers to rebuke the forces of darkness that may be attacking his body. He has gone to India twice, where he is also battling cancer-related disease, but he was confirmed to be free from cancer, where he had received medical treatment in Kenya before, but it was a misdiagnosis which led him to having a disease that right now cost him medicines or medication of over 500,000 Kenyan shillings every month. The apostle calls for prayer has resonated with many, as numerous supporters have flooded the comment section of his post with well wishes, prayers, and words of encouragement. The response is a testament to the impact MURITHI has had on the lives of his followers and the immense respect and admiration he has garnered within the community. We wish Apostle a quick recovery. Haya ndiyo ambayo amepata kuandika Apostle MURITHI kupitia ukurasa wake. My sisters and brothers, pray so hard for me and rebuke the demons of sickness. My legs are becoming a big problem, especially the many times I force wearing shoes, but sometimes they swell too much that I can't wear shoes. Please pray hard for me, and together we shall conquer the devil, because we have the power to conquer through the blood of our Lord Jesus Christ. Huu ni ujumbe kutokea kwa MURITHI, na Wakenya wengi wamejitokeza kwa pamoja kuweza kumwombea heri njema na uweza kupona haraka. Niyo kwa sasa. Hii ni FM Show KE, usibanduke kabla ya kusubscribe.